I said think. I said.
Dream dresses. Fish me.
That's what they said.
You are in. You ain't done.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. Yeah, man. Right, that's so. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Me just there. On the Sunday, me just do some work, you know. And put in some work. So me I said, you know, so I should just a vlog what me I do on my Sunday.
Sebastian.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
I would that.
Feel special.
I would that.
Beautiful.
I would that.
I know it's going to be the special touch that you have with
Rash Nique.
my so congratulations. I'm so happy for you.
Thank you so much.
Eh? Am I there?
We got you on the Sunday.
I do some editing because I have a new channel. Oh, you know? When I go drop something on RASHKAMAR entertainment vlog. Yeah, vlogs, yeah. So them thing upon it now, I edit now. I call them before and after dance all. Yeah. Yeah, man. So that's, you know what I mean? Subscribe. And go and view them, you know? Because I know I don't like them, man. Yeah.
Tonight was the last runway show.
And then me I wash too. Me I do laundry too. So when me I go deal with some clothes around, so. Yeah. Me care no, see? Alright then. Yeah. I wouldn't. I would agree to that, you know?
I'm not fair.
Agree to that, you know?
No, I'm not fair.
Jamal.
Right, it's not because I take the vitamin and I feel away.
Fit or flatter your
Yeah, man.
I take my vitamin and I feel
This did not feel like
I eat some crackers.
And honestly, I feel like you're playing
Yeah, man, so, when you don't know, yeah.
Better. That's what's going to really make
Yeah, man.
I feel like we're kind of like getting there.
my mom's sister amethyst.
A close time. Eh. Close time, you know, sir. That's my boy. You're it done, you know? Jaja. Hot. Hot daddy. Hot daddy. Come on. Ready up, ready up, ready up, ready up. Yeah. Over there. See me? Yeah, man. Dry them in my house. That's what things set. Oh, that over there, so.
What's up?
Yeah.
My hair look good right now. So
No,
you
yourself,
know,
man.
look,
Yeah, yeah. But I tell you, I bring a baba boy.
today?
No.
I know.
Yeah, when you go back to school. Well, why should I trim you now and then trim you back to go back to school? That's how wait.
My hair's not gonna go back that fast.
So let me tell you. Know yourself. I know me I do. You grow big, I can deal with your picnic. Oh, you want deal with me, I deal with you. Back, 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 back,
Boy.
back, back. Sonny boy, what you do? Can me a wash you now? You follow me?
Sure. But I'm gonna brush my teeth yet.
Alright, go do that then, huh?
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, so you don't know. Yeah, me I dry them I know.
Want you to come back in here.
Eh?
Want you to come back in here.
Why?
Because you're my dad.
Oh. Oh, Nique, what go on? Eh?
There.
What do you today?
No, I'm just relax. I'm just tired today.
Yeah, because you've been working all
Yeah,
week.
you're tired, you know?
Yeah.
So I just do the washing and the...
Yeah, because you not tell them what me do.
Yeah, and
That's how
that.
make it seem like we're lazy.
So let me say you're tired because you work hard. Now let me just say. And like, yeah, I mean, so you just chill today. I'm just do the work then, right? Yeah.
That's what's supposed to, that's
I
what's
watch
supposed to
Project
go.
Runway.
That's what's supposed to go on every day.
What?
You do all the work and she chill.
Hey boy. Hey boy. Sure.
Yeah, I'm studying. I was at defending.
Yes, yesterday. So my deal with me.
You're all in your heads. Come on.
You need to do all the work all the time.
No.
Why don't you make the angle more into her waist? Maybe there's a
Just a big win. What I wanted it to have was just the idea of Baltimore in an abstract way, in a dreamy way. Erica did a great job to make it realistic, but it wasn't my take on what I wanted.
Fair enough.
I think it would just be.
It's all about you.
We can just
Go
make it
out.
all great. And fly it out.
Okay.
Just make it as abstract as possible.
Go over the salon.
I have an estimation of her taking off the coat at some point and like molding a mound of clay. I am so impressed and pleased with my room and think that
What y'all need for stuff?
essentially you're just gonna do this. It'll get all over the garment, that's okay.
Yeah.
I am so far with Sebastian's room.
Here you go, Tom.
No idea what
See that? Look.
and Gary's room and experience.
Yeah, you're putting on something.
Yeah, there you go, man. Right, daddy? Yeah, high five.
So the question
Love you.
Love you too. I'm not leaving.
Hmm?
I'm not leaving.
Oh, yeah, so look right here.
This is actually really cool. I like that.
I fix up my hair, guys. Panda.
The haircut.
I know. I want a haircut.
Yeah, man. I'm not telling you, I'm bring up my brother.
I know.
But I tell you that.
Okay.
Yeah, you did tell me that.
Yeah, so that's chilly, man.
Edited some video. Can't show you that. Can't show you too much. Just a little spoiler.
Yeah.
Get-
Yes, sir. Dude. So you didn't say earlier, no? You didn't say nothing? You didn't beg me for hug? Huh?
Begging for all?
Mm-hmm.
For what? But not for beg.
Please don't stop bitching.
Beg. I mean, I get nothing.
I don't have to beg for a hug. No friend. I'll be at this for morning.
So how long have
What
you
is
been here?
What?
We moved
What
back
is
here
that?
when Quince was about 5
You?
after he was traded again. The neighborhood was a little more mixed back then. Well, that was before the black people down the street became the black people next door.
Just a chill and I watch movie, you know?
No way. She.
Mr. Me.
Oh.
Thank you so much. Again,
So me I do.
this was terribly nice.
It's already there now.
Oh, girl, don't worry about it. It's the least I can do. And I love to cook.
I mean,
I'm
don't.
enjoying my day off because
I
I
don't
work
know.
tomorrow.
I mean, I don't wash. It's still a dry now.
No.
Sometimes I just want to just chill
And the girls
and watch movie and just relax.
Lazy, though.
I have lived next
Yeah,
door.
lazy
I
for
have
tea,
never
for
seen
true.
the inside of his house.
I mean,
I know normally I up and do something.
I do everything every day. Every day I do it.
You came with the fish today?
You see that again? Let me tell you. You see that? Hey, mama, can I make you feel, man? Can I eat something?
You see?
Yeah.
Yeah, the roast fish. Buy everything we need.
If you vlog this, you know, so me a cook, you know, yeah. Hold on. You go hold the camera?
And crackers.
You go hold the
You don't
camera?
even hold the camera.
Yeah,
you can use the ring light.
no. You need to hold it. Cause when me want to go down on it and you understand what I say? Alright, here me I say. She said she want
No,
fish.
when I used to cook and I
Chef
used to
it.
tell you to vlog it, you used to be like, no, you can't just set up the camera and cook and do your thing. You can't do your own thing and cook. You know that you used to tell me? Okay.
Yeah, me remember that.
You never remember nothing yet when it comes to you.
Me remember that. So you know, she go hold the camera still. So me start out. I do some cooking for her, right, baby? So wash for you, clean for you, and cook
You never
for you, baby.
clean. You wash.
I'm
Me do the cleaning.
I'm edit for her.
Me do the cleaning and me do the grocery
edit
shopping. I'm a cook last night.
Lucky I found it. Someone
Oh, you cook last night.
I'm gonna do my ear.
pile of rags in the
I
garage.
need to do my one too.
Yesterday, I do a whole heap of things.
You need to do my one too.
You okay?
Yeah, so now I'm idea for relax and him work. Cause most of the time when me up and do this and I do so and I do so, you wanna see people, I mean you munch and a crunch
Oh,
and under sheet
that's another problem.
and I watch murder mysteries.
Yeah.
That boy next door is not sweet to me.
So my idea for chilling, huh?
But you still have to hold the camera though. If I for just the beginning, after that you can just chill.
Based on I promise that to me.
You better promise me, cause if you not do, you can't get no fish.
Why?
Z. Yeah. You don't know enough.
Can't tag me.
Today, Mama said, Nique said she want roast fish, you know. I don't know the thing set. How we operate. Baby said she want roast fish, so I have to roast some roast fish, you see me?
Dad, turn the camera so they can see me playing.
Well, I'm on raw daddy.
Oh, okay.
And back here, so, yeah, man. I have to cut out them bloody them. You see me? Yeah, don't still.
Whoa.
Yeah, but I think that I don't know me I show them. You see how this big? And equal, you know? Yo!
Wait, this is actually...
Don't you, Rel?
Huh?
Don't you mother greedy?
What?
Yeah, man.
What?
Yeah.
No! Wait, what? I don't even know what you said.
When?
Dad,
You say yes already, man.
really?
Yeah. After I clean out the man and wash it off properly. Proper. I'm gonna just wash it with lime. Yeah, wash out the sink now. And I get my lime. My lime ready.
What, ready?
That's how I deal with it, you know. The lime, you know. The lime.
Yeah,
Put it in the belly and rub it out, so, you know. And then place always kind of rice. Rub it on it, you know.
Bro, they need to change this.
Yeah, man. See, yeah? As I say, you're gonna need.
So it rises all the way
That's
up.
greedy. You see me? Yeah, man. Drain off a little bit. I don't know. Seasoning! I don't know them dry off, you know. Not dry off, but drain off and thing. I go. I go season it, you know.
What's up, guys? Look what I was playing. I was playing this thing.
Yeah.
I got my grandma got it for me.
Yeah, man, so. Yeah. Season up the fish, I know, you know? Show them it now. Show them it, daddy. See it there now? Yeah, see it there now? Season up there now. Make it go and simmer, you know? And then I go do some pop chai. You see me? For stuffing, you know what I mean? Yeah. Ready, you know, to go sort out the food and, you know what I mean? Cause I want to tell us, we have to deal with this to drop it, you know? So, that's a go on, what I go on. Right there, so you know what I mean? That one I watch now, to find that enough go RASHKAMAR entertainment vlog. You get me, I say? So, you'll get the before and after party. Sometimes not too go on in the beginning, so you'll get the aftermath. You know what I mean? Tune in. So you don't know the thing set.
Look, if you already pressed the button.
Alright then, cooking time for me baby now. That's me. Take them out 1-1 and 2-1. Yeah, 3-3 and yeah. And wash them, you know? So, when you don't know the thing set, man, let's go and pray.
All lava monkeys now.
And then you know, so sometimes I need buy pop choy, you know. Holy if you want a little bit still. Good for me. Get the pot same time. Bam.
Woo! What the?
Just go and show in and watch what I go on. You see me? Yeah.
Yeah, bro, his color is not blue. I cannot.
Don't know, look at country pepper up in there, you know.
Yeah. No, banana. Let me tag green. He's all mine. He's all mine. He's all mine.
You know,
Green
smell
is
that.
all mine. He's all mine.
Don't know, you have to go. Green onion. Scallion, you know?
Let's go.
Don't worry yourself, man. It's all pretty. Tomato, you know? Tomato. But this, you know, tell Skellen say time at the master. You should buy them sweet pepper, yeah.
You're not talking about me. Room. Thinky, Lucky. Thinky.
Oh yeah, go fishing, you not have no okra, girl. Yeah. Turn on my stove right now. Avocado oil. Covering time. Yeah man, that's the stuffing for the roast fish, you know. That she said she wants, sir. You know, like me I call her and she not answer. Now what she need? Baby, you not want no clothes, baby?
You know, I will never have on clothes.
Who's that?
What kind of question is you put on clothes?
Yeah, you need to put on clothes.
21 traditional campus.
Yeah. Our thing around there, I simmer down, you know. Yeah. So let me say, let's look at now. So look more on go on. You see me? You go and steam down, you know. Alright then.
Okay. I'll be a chef up the thing. Yeah. People, hi everybody. You know, I've been in the bed, finally come out of the bed now.
Lazy.
Finally come out of the bed. Just took a shower. Feel so fresh and nice. I look so greasy because I moisturized my skin. So don't mind that. My skin is just really moisturized right now. But yeah, I'm smelling nice, fresh, clean.
Good, baby.
Yeah, baby said, damn, baby, it smells nice. Yeah, that's one thing with me. You can't ask him. Hygiene, always on point, okay? Because let me tell you something. You see this man right here, sir? Yes, so, no hygiene problem can't over here, so. Can I tell you straight up, say, yo, bathroom, you know?
Don't make people them have me a bad guy.
So, yeah, I'm telling you, the first woman him there without him not smell nothing. So, you don't know it, go already. Yeah, you gotta keep up ourselves and moisturize and smell nice. And woman to smell nice and keep themselves clean and nice, yeah.
Why you not link me, mama?
Link you for door.
Link me up, say I.
But you just want to come ugly up now, you see me smell nice.
Mommy, you been smell nice.
I know, even before I'm gonna be in a true. Yeah. So we're there upon a nice clean Sunday here. I'll be take over my duties them for today. You say man give me a break, make me get to rest.
School tomorrow.
No you don't. You wanna make me relax and
Don't tell a lie now.
make me feel like my day off is really a day off, you know? Then we there. So you know, get your hobby like mine. Cause you can't have mine, so get you one like mine.
No, don't even get one like him. Get a different one.
Sure. So I'm just there. But tell him some feed for some steam, for some roast fish. Him always had the roast fish. Feel me love when him do the roast fish and then him put the crackers and them thing in there.
My daddy was big.
What me do?
You not buy no okra?
Right here.
A while ago, me had cut up the thing, and I said, right, where the okra there?
Oh.
I said, go.
And
My bad.
My daddy was nice to me too today because he washed the dishes for me.
So daddy up on a roll, you know? Daddy get daddy of the year, husband of the year, everything of the year, right? You know?
Yeah,
So yeah, they are cook and thing. See my clean up. That's how we cook, you know, we clean, we cook and wipe and clean same time, and I like that.
Cook and clean, cook and clean, cook and clean.
So the fish them are well seasoned, ready for touch the fire, you know. I mean love whole heap of crackers in my mind, so I put crackers in there. I buy crackers in a papa. And see all
Yeah,
rest.
look guys, the
This is some bok choy. We steam it up, put some veggie on, you know.
crackers
Man
are
stuff
here.
it in and stuff the fish with it.
Crackers are here.
Yeah, I know. You have to get some water, so you can't leave it out. Oh, some fruits, that's all and thing. Mango.
Mango,
and-
I love mango.
Banana. apple, fruits and things.
I want some mango right now.
But yeah, Chef Boy at Rash Nique kitchen and whipping it up. Whip it up. Yeah, whipping it up, baby.
Ooh, I would mash up some mango right now.
But yeah, Yuri over here, so move my table because he want to play with the Oculus. Yo, I'm not gonna lie, people that sitting there, but you know, him grandmother buy it for him.
Yeah, I
When
showed it to them
for
today.
Devon graduation, she bought him the Oculus. It's so cool. I tried it on the other day and I was like, oh my god,
Oh, we gotta
it's
try
like a
the
whole
payment
virtual
method.
world.
We gotta try the payment method thing since it didn't work the first time.
Boy, you know, yeah. So yeah, we're just there. I cook Sunday. But let's get up a while ago. I said, no, man, I feel lazy. I forget.
We're on here. No, we're on here. Me cook. Tell them all the while I do the cooking and me teach and then.
No, you cook for yourself.
You take credit for every single thing. What on that? My water this? Yeah, people. So. That's a go on pan top of what I go on. Damn shiny, man. Jesus. Those have my skin feels soft and nice.
Ready and now.
So people, you don't know, Obi I done finish cook. Me probably gonna go back and lie down.
Oh, man.
And guess what? Today was Sunday, right?
Mm-hmm.
What date is Sunday? 14th?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. More and drop this. Today. Yeah.
Big bad vlogger this, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And my friend talked to me yesterday and I said, rrr.
Yeah. Yeah, man, so.
Baby, bro, no, file paper, the big one.
Well, we gonna have to
You're
use
not getting the fish today.
Well, we're just gonna ask go. We're just gonna have to use what we got.
Damn.
So, guess what I'm gonna do, people? I'm going to drink my water, mind my business, and leave Obi for finish cooking at the kitchen and do him thing. Me, I go probably go back and find a movie or something, go lie down, relax, enjoy the rest of my Sunday. Cause Obi, I better try draw me out enough from morning.
So you know if you
You
come
might
out,
try
man.
draw me out. Babes, come out of the bed and listen, people. You
Much
see,
time you cook?
no,
You know, I-
no bother with it, no bother with it. Because people, let me tell you something. You see when him ready for in the bed, you can't get him out, you know. And he must sleep and think. Me not trouble him and leave him alone. Me there out here work, me I cook, me I do whatever. And him in the room, in the bed, lie down and watching TV. No, him out here cook. Him want me out here. No, me I go lie down now and enjoy my time. Just like how you enjoy for your one.
Yeah, watch it.
What me I watch?
What huh? Style, me have to style it because we don't a big one.
See, you gotta fuse that and
And turn pattern.
yeah. So we don't know what we take this morning or what, but him have full of energy in idea.
I'm gonna tell you, I talk with my friend call me and talk to me yesterday and I say, how long with the on the phone?
Or the motivation.
Alright, I'm gonna say, you know it's not like that.
Baby, you have to be your motivation. Oh, what you? Oh, what you? What we had to motivate for wine yourself?
Yeah.
No, sir.
Alright.
Yeah, but this Sunday pretty much chill. But clean up the house from yesterday, Friday. I clock out of work, clean up. Yeah, I was clean up also the weekend and so on, you know. So there's not much for me to do.
One chill.
Yeah.
And collect your roast fish. Right, baby? What's that?
Right. I'm thirsty.
And when I do the pop chow, so I not cook it right down. Or steam it right down because I know so, alright? I know so I have to go put in the oven with the fish, you know?
Come on, say, oh, we have get the fish them ready. And do him thing, you know. Look at my baby. Oh, what here?
Look at this. Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
No, sir.
Oh, baby?
There's a your blood son go, sir. What you? Wow.
Baby like
You got some, as people that time going, you know.
like crackers.
I hope I want that, man.
Yeah.
Enough crackers, you know.
No, you hear when I big one, man. So the big one I get.
More crackers. I will tell enough crackers and people don't do what I say.
No, sometimes what I'm calling file paper, we can't put pressure it in the bust up. So what we always do, now get the one in a cook in the juice, like it's soak in. Okay. So why the problem now? Yeah? Why don't I talk?
You come with this white thing.
No, I say why the problem now? Why the problem? What is the problem now?
Right. I try to make up your own words.
Yeah, so
The fish in my wrap now. I'm going in the oven. Man, you know, today I just feel like today.
know yourself, man. I got you, baby.
I feel weak today, people. I'm not gonna lie. Now I'm have full of energy and you know, but today I guess true, maybe me don't know, I just tell my mind say I gotta relax today. It's like me just my body say, alright, I gotta relax too with your mind, you know? You don't know. But yeah, people that are over here get the thing ready for going in the oven now. Me I go back and lie down.
And she don't buy any file paper and she don't buy any okra. So you see, me have to go like MacGyver right now. Yeah? Me have to act like MacGyver now around that.
Now you say you're a jack of all trades, so what happened?
Yeah, good.
You complain now. And if I make case and come lie down with me, that's what I do. I'm gonna be here and come lie down.
So me not can do it right now? You want it?
But you don't do, you do.
Okay.
Anyway, people, I share the fish when the fish fit ready. Hopefully, I'm not dive in it before I show you. Because I always forget. But yeah, you guys, stay tuned. And remember, drink your water and mind your business.
Wow, look at my skin. My skin is glowing. You think I got in this? I not get softer than me in here. Cheers. Simple. Look at my skin. Look at my skin.
I don't know why you.
Look at that glow, so. I say that going earlier. But my skin glowing.
Why you all on my face?
Baby, you're not hotter than me in this. You're not softer than me in this.
So who in a competition with him?
We win already. So now I'm a competition thing, you see me?
What is?
Baby, you know, I see him short. Me not the video there, look.
Oh yeah.
I saw a thing set. Yeah.
What's your...
Yeah.
The apple queen?
Yes.
Okay.
We'll look on the fish now. Yeah. Feel him up and out. Alright, so ready, you know? And look at the left out of the picture. I'll just mash up some of that with tough crackers, you know? Yeah. Which is right. So the thing set, my lord. Just shower, you know, and you know what I mean? Wait for the fish ready and mommy make me get fair to eat and yeah, eat my own and all these things, you see me? So if anything you don't know, the thing set. So I go on with Nick fish, you know. What? Yeah. Baby gonna love this now. Baby, baby. Baby, baby. Come get up, baby. Get your food. You're me tell you how she greedy.
I am not greedy. I'm not fear. Y'all come talk about my greedy. Right. Ooh, yeah, baby.
Yeah, avocado.
Oh, avocado. I know what I was putting in.
I never want to chew the juice from it.
So?
Look at it.
You know, I'm not eating all of this.
You just have to say that for your vlog.
No, I'm not. This is a big fish. I'll save some for tomorrow.
Okay.
Thank you, baby.
You're welcome, baby.
No, that's nice. What you have to record me?
I'm waiting.
Sure.
You know me always wait.
I always have to wait.
I always have to wait because I you have to say.
Hot.
Yeah, you have to blow it before you put it in and wait to come from the oven.
But
Aye, I got it. Hey. You see that? Don't know the thing, so that's how we deal with the thing. That's how we deal with the thing. Yeah. What you always say, baby? Find a hobby like mine. That you say? Well,
your money bad.
woman, find a man like me.
Yeah, babes, I love how you do this.
Me know. You like it all the while?
Yeah, you put enough crackers like come and ask.
Alright then, tell her she greedy. Don't put about 4 back in there a while ago. And I say, yo, she love the crackers, she greedy, yes man.
And it well hot, you know, I love my food well hot.
Yeah.
Yeah, money nice.
Alright, baby. That's it. Yeah, I ate that, you know, for the Sunday, you know. You see me, I say, I will get my one too. But,
movie time.
I have some, no, I have work for do over there, so. So, you don't know what I say? RASHKAMAR Entertainment, you get the dancehall video there. You see me, I say? And I have a next thing, RASHKAMAR Entertainment vlog. Where you can check it out too. Because you'll get the before and the after the dancehall. You see me, I say, or after the party. So me, yeah. So
that's every Sunday.
Every Sunday me I gotta drop it. You understand me I say? So just tune in. You don't know the thing set. You know I want another one, right? Hey, remember earlier now. I close out the vlog already, but you know. Earlier me I tell her how she greedy, right? And she said, oh baby, this is so big. I've left some for tomorrow. Just watch this now.
Building new outfits and creating new things and see if I can organize my collection.
Baby, where tomorrow food then? Baby. Where tomorrow fish? Okay.
That's my thought.
No, my God.
Jesus Christ.
Alright, Christian. Thank you so much.
Yo. Me tell you though. Me tell you say yo. Should ramp with food.
The fish head, so you tell him that?
Yeah, cause you not eat the fish head, but me I try to say to you, say. You have said the fish big and oh my God, baby, this is so big. I'm gonna leave some for tomorrow.
Yeah, but we don't
Well, you know, she right. Or today, or tomorrow, or today.
You know you mix up? They eat my dinner and you come in here.
Yo, me now come back around again and I laugh at this. I don't know the thing set. Alright then.